Reading a choral octavo is no joke, and I don't think we give it the proper respect. I mean, how hard it is for like a sixth grader to figure out how to do it. I mean, look at it. So the first thing they do, obviously, is follow the words. So on a piece like this, it's pretty easy, right? But you turn a couple pages and then you get this. And so naturally, what do? They read the top line and they go to the second line unless we've taught them stuff. And what happens to them, especially if they're beginning in sixth grade with you in your chorus, is they get unconfident and they sing very small and their confidence is low. That's why it's so important to teach it, to take the time out to really get it into their brains how to follow the system. So I just made a lesson on TPT called Quick, I Need Ideas for My Choir Lesson, and it's following the octavo is the subject. I have tons of ideas for you in there about some games you can do to really drive it home and make it fun so that they're confident right from the start, right? And it's only $3, so go grab it. Music in the Middle with Mr. D.